Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Tivoli Gardens Football Club is in mourning on the eve of the start of the new Jamaica Premier League season following the death of defender Delano Daly. He was one of 5 occupants of a motor vehicle that crashed on Eastwood Park Road early this morning.
When Tivoli Gardens FC players woke up on Saturday morning for the final session before kickoff of the new Jamaica Premier League season, little did they know that they had already seen their fellow teammate Delano Daly for the final time. The 6'4" defender had only moved to the club this past summer from Waterhouse with the hope of getting more game time, but did not get a chance to kick a ball competitively for his new club. Daly perished in a motor vehicle accident along Eastwood Park Road around 4 on Saturday morning when the car he and 4 others were travelling in swerved and collided in a fence, bursting into flames, resulting in his death along with his sister and his cousin. Head coach of Tivoli Gardens, Jerome Waite, says the loss has significantly affected the players.
It's not good. I mean, the players have responded in a negative way because they're getting to know him more, and they have some close friends also who know him more than the others.
There was none closer to Daly at the club than midfielder Rodico Wellington.
I click in the players group and I see that in picture pop up, and immediately I went in a breakdown stage, you know, because he's a youth and me and him have a close bond. I bring him come to Tivoli club this season, you know, because me and him play business house 2 years now and we have a really good relationship, and to see a news like that, like it really hurt this team because it's been training well, you know. He even speak to me on Thursday and say, this is hard to say ever change in his life.
Wellington describes Daly as a passionate and hard-working player.
He's a great person outside of football, you know. Like he's jovial and, you know, he, as I say, listen. You know, so he's a great person. Anybody can tell you.
For Waite, Sunday's opening Premier League game will undoubtedly be a difficult one to deal with given the loss.
Well, this morning I had a general talk with them and let they understand the situation going forward. But tomorrow I still have to give him another talk leading up to the game.
Tivoli Gardens opened their Premier League campaign against Malines United.